I chose an Audi RS3 is because of the 5-cylinder in this car. It's super unique. It sounds really unique. It makes great power. The potential for this engine is, sky high. There's multiple people out with over 1,000 horsepower out of these motors. So I just love it. I had to have one. My favorite mod that I've done to this car is switching over to E85. It just changed the car completely. It made so much more power. The power band is way different compared to your normal pump gas. It pulls well past 100 miles an hour, no problem. One thing I had to do before this car goes to SEMA is carbon fiber. She looks very stock right now, besides the wheels, so she needs some makeup. I'm gonna put some carbon fiber all over her, and I think that's gonna really enhance the body lines of this car. So one thing I wish I did a little bit different, I'm really happy with the new speed lowering springs, but I wish I just kind of went straight to coilovers. I wanted to keep the dynamic suspension from factory, which it works really, really well, but these chassis perform much better with coilovers, so definitely a future goal with the car.